MCON is a producer of precast underground structures that hold and retain water. The company's been around since 1989. In the last 30 years, we've seen a substantial growth with additions to the building and modernizing the facility itself. And as that has grown, we've seen an increase in the size of the demand for larger products. The challenge is in keeping up the equipment. It puts a tremendous strain on the equipment. You have more costs as far as upkeep, maintenance, and so with the larger capacity lift, you're not taxing the forklift as much as we have been in the past. When I reached out to Wajax to get a quote on a forklift and I gave them the parameters that I was looking for, they wanted to see what we were lifting, what we were doing. In the end, that enabled them to go back and provide the best possible quote, give us the best possible solution to our problem. Wajax recommended the Hyster HD 360 as they felt it was a lift that was going to meet all of our requirements. What my goal here is to try to make sure that our operators in the lift as much as possible. Going to a larger size lift enables him to stay in that lift versus jumping in between different size lifts to do the different jobs. There's a lot of features. The size, the durability offers him the ability to really feel and grasp the piece that he's handling, which ends up minimizing his chance of damaging it. Not long after we had the machine, Wajax came in for a service and they noticed our filters on the lift were getting very dirty and dusty. And they recommended that they put on an extra dustpan to protect the filter. This recommendation went a long way to further showing us that Wajax was committed to keeping the relationship going and more vested interest than just selling us the machine.